So if you do anything in this video, please take those two pieces of advice. So in this video, I wanted to do something slightly different, change the location up a little bit. It's a Friday morning at the time of this video. It's currently 9:10 a.m. and I was out driving the golf cart around the neighborhood, figured I'd pop down here to the pool, grab the tripod and press record and see what happened. But the main thing that I want to talk to you about in this video is distraction. When you are building any sort of business online, it doesn't matter what it is, if it's affiliate marketing or network marketing, digital, whatever it is that you're doing, distraction is real. And it just, the longer that I'm in this industry, and by the way, everything that I want to share with you in this video is, and anything that I share with you on my channel here, all derives and comes from experience in the industry, experience in the niche, the market, making money online, all of those things. And I try to give you as much real life experience as I possibly can. So I'm gonna take a sip of coffee right here, excuse me. It's just absolutely gorgeous out today. I mean, it is literally beautiful. It's currently 72 degrees, sunny, few stray clouds. Just gonna be a gorgeous day down here in Myrtle Beach. So fired up and excited for that. And just wanted to share some of this with you guys because every video that I do here on my channel is usually done from my home office, which is, a street over that way. But I wanted to do something a little different today. And in regards to distractions, so just to give you some real life data, real life examples here, is that I've been with the same company since 2018. It's currently 2020-25. And, have I gotten distracted over the years? Have I gotten, tempted by dangling shiny objects and the lure of, something that's the latest and greatest and gonna make everybody a ton of money and, blah, blah, blah? Sure. Those things have happened, but what I've learned and what I've tried to really commit myself to is focusing on one specific thing. And what I see all over social media, and this is something for you, maybe just a lesson for you, again, please take from my experience. I've always found that the best results, the biggest results, the best paychecks that hit your bank account, they come from when you can rule out the distractions and you can stay focused on one specific thing. Now that might be one specific company, one specific product, one specific service, one thing that you're doing. Maybe it's your TikTok channel. Maybe you want to stay focused on your TikTok channel. Maybe you want to stay focused on your YouTube channel, whatever it is, but staying focused and not getting distracted. So I'll give you a couple examples of, the team that I'm building right now with the company and the opportunity that I'm in. It's myEcon. I've been with them since 2018, and I've done other things since joining in 2018, but I've realized that some of those other things were distractions, and now I'm back 100% focusing on myEcon. And now every single day, every single week, every single month, there is steady and consistent growth, okay? Steady and consistent growth. And what I've learned over the years is that when you do get distracted, when you do find yourself, going off and getting into other companies and other things, that's when the income goes down. That's when the team growth will go down. That's when you won't get the results that you initially joined for. And you got to think back and you got to remember why do you initially join something? Well, let's just all be real. It's to make money. You typically don't join a business because you really want to use the products. It's because you want to make money. And I've found that, again, staying consistent with those things and staying focused on those things, that's where the money is by staying consistent each and every day, each and every week. That's how you build massive teams. And ultimately, and this is the main point here, that's how you create strong, high levels of residual monthly income. But if you don't stay consistent, you don't stay focused, and you do get distracted, those big paychecks, they're never going to come. Ever. They're never going to come. And I've done this from experience. Please, like, take these words as wisdom if you want, take them as gospel, take them as whatever. I've accomplished large 5-figure residual income checks in multiple companies by staying focused and staying consistent and focusing on one thing. And the reason for this video, I know this is probably a long-winded video and I'm just talking and I'm just shooting from the hip here, okay? There's no specific agenda here. That I'm just literally shooting from the hip and trying to give you as much knowledge as wisdom as I possibly can. In social media right now, on YouTube, on Facebook, my news feed is filled up with another latest and greatest pre-launch. Everybody needs to get in. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be incredible. You're going to make so much money. And it's just a distraction. And the reason why I know this is an opinion. It's not opinion. It's not. And you might think this as like, oh, I'm just hating on something else, so you'll join me in my thing. No. The haters want to tell you that. The haters, the people that are getting distracted want to tell you that DK or anybody else wants to hate on what you're doing so you don't get distracted and you think I'm trying to pull you into my thing. But I'm just trying to give you the education. I'm trying to give you the knowledge. And the reason why this is data and not opinion is because the people that are now promoting, the latest and greatest, shiniest object, 2 months ago were promoting something else. And 2 months prior to that, we're promoting something before that. And 2 months prior to before that, we're promoting another thing. The data tells you that it's just a distraction. The data, like when you really dig deep and you look at the data, what does the math tell you? Like if you look at everyone that's promoting the latest and greatest shiny object, what were they promoting 2 months ago? And then go back 2 months prior to that, what were they promoting? I can guarantee you it's something different every single time. And every single time it's pre-launch, every single time it's hype, every single time you gotta get in and you're gonna make a ton of money. The data for me is longevity. The data for me is putting your head down and focusing on one specific thing. That's how, for me, now maybe you're different. Maybe you like to jump from one thing to the next, and if you do, then that's cool. But for me, I've always done well. The data, I've always done well when I pick one thing and I stick with it for a long period of time. And long period of time, I don't mean months, I mean years. Years, okay? That's how right now I'm making a 5-figure monthly income with the same business that I've been in since 2018. That's data. That's not my opinion. That's data. So please, I want you to think about, for you, what do you really want? What do you really want? Do you want, and I'm willing to bet that the birds that are over here in the trees are coming across really loud on camera. iPhone just seems to pick that stuff up. But I want you to think about what you want. If you want incredible passive residual income, stop getting distracted. Stop chasing the latest and greatest, shiniest thing. Just stop. Because it's never going to get you to where you want to go. If you jump, and again, just an example here is the people that I see that are all over the hype train on this new latest and greatest shiny object out there that's in social right now. Those people literally are jumping from one thing to the next to the next. And what do they have to show for it? A trail of dead bodies, meaning canceled affiliates, in one opportunity after another. Is that the example that you want to follow? Is that what you want to be known for? I don't know. What am I known for? I would like to think that I provide value. I provide truth, honesty, integrity, and I have the documentation, I have the data to back that up. Now, not everyone will agree with that, but that's life. There's always going to be haters, and haters will always hate. And I'm sure someone's going to see this video and want to hate on it. And if that's what helps you sleep at night, then all good, my friend, all good. But at the end of the day, you know, I just want you to win, and I want you to have, you know, the knowledge and experience to know what it's going to take to win. And that's why I made this video. You know, we're already at the 10-minute mark here, and I just want to keep it real with you here on this channel, on all of my social accounts, always. Just trying to give you the data, the proof, the documentation of what it takes to actually win. And, you know, that's why I wanted to make this for you, so you could have that data, you could have that knowledge, and know, you know, deep down in your heart and your head, what you got to do to win. And for me, I've been in this industry and niche full time, working from home right here, you know, on my phone, on my laptop, full time for 7 years. So please accept some of the knowledge if you want to, you know. And that's it. Just out here sitting, enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day. Got the pool, got the fountain in the background there. And I want you to experience this too. I want you to be able to work from home full time or anywhere in the world if that's what you want to do. It is possible. But it's not going to happen if you're distracted. It's not going to happen if you jump from one thing to the next. That's lottery ticket mentality. That's hoping to strike it rich. And at the end of the day, nothing will trump hard work. Nothing will trump putting your head down and working and staying consistent. Like, work ethic is a real thing. Effort, sacrifice, dedication, like, that's real shit. And I've just found over the years that it works really well. And I'll leave you with this at the end of this video here. And by the way, if you made it to this point in the video, I truly appreciate you. Long-winded video, I know, I get it. I'm just talking. We're just hanging out and shooting the shit here. That's it. But if I could leave you with anything, and I've shared this with my team over and over again, the reasons why over the years I've been able to create a full-time income online, it's not luck. It's not, you know, right place, right time. It's none of that. It's two specific things that allows me to make a full-time income, and it could be the same exact two things for you. Okay. Number one, outwork everybody around you. Now, the people around you might be physical people in your location. It might be the people that you're living with or whatever. But I want you to outwork the people that you see online. You know, if you're in one specific opportunity, if you're in one network marketing company or an affiliate marketing company or whatever it is, the people that are in your niche, your Facebook group, that are promoting the same thing as you, outwork them. Okay? Outwork them. Put out more content, put out better content. Okay? And number two, stay consistent longer. Those are the two most valuable things I can give you, and that's what's helped me get the results that I have. I outwork the people that are in my niche, that are in my company, my opportunity, doing the same thing as me. I outwork most people. And number two, I stay consistent longer. And that's it. So if you do anything in this video, please take those two pieces of advice seriously, as I know it will help you. End of story. So that is it. If you got value from this video, do me a favor, drop a comment down below. And again, if you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content here to my channel, whether it be about making money online or you and I just having a conversation. So thank you for watching, my friend. Also going to leave an end card here at the end of this video. You can click on that and see exactly what I do, how I do it, and how you can do it too. Thank you for watching, my friend. I truly appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.